Oh, hi folks, that time I tipped these first earlies out, well second earlies. These are in the 30 litre pots, so we'll have a look, see what we've got. They've been in quite a while now, so we'll have a quick look. Oh, certainly had enough rain, that's to be true. I'm not going to try and keep this plant, I'm just going to rip through it and see what we've got. But as you can see, there's a few nice ones coming out. Having said that, if there are a lot of little ones, then I will put it back in. Some nice ones coming out. Do my best to be as careful as possible then. If there are some decent, some little ones, which there are, I can replant this, give it another few weeks growth, and then see how we're getting on. But so far it's looking quite good. These are, I can't remember whether they're Nicola or Charlotte, but there seem to be quite a lot. And a few little tiny immature ones in the middle, so I will replant this and see if it can grow another few weeks. Yeah, we're getting some nice ones in here now. That one's looking a bit soggy for some reason. But no, we've got quite a few. So I'll just be careful. Like there are a few little ones. I'll take them at that size. Oh, there's some big ones here. Look. So although it looks like I've butchered this plant, as long as you keep a few roots on, they should regenerate themselves. So I'll just put that back in there. Have a look at this one. That's a big one. As you can see, look, there's quite a few little diddy immature ones there, so if it does survive, 2 chances, then they should get a little bit bigger. So again, I'll put it back in and replant it. Just have a final little look through this, see what we've got. They're not the biggest croppers, I must admit, Nicola and Charlotte, but they are a lovely potato nonetheless. So what you gain in taste and texture, you do lose in yield, unfortunately. So it's quite disappointing, I must admit, but just have a little wait and see what we've got. I'll put that one in anyway. So I haven't got my digital scales, I've got these spring ones in kilos, so I'll just have a quick look. You have to take my word for it. 1.3 kilos, 1.4 kilos, so that's about £4 I think, so not too bad. £4 of spuds, 30 litre pot, put it back in again and might get another couple of pound out later when the little ones grow up. But anyway, that's the first of the 30 litre spuds out. See you later.